Okay, going to find with this data here, going to actually find a confidence interval, which remember a confidence interval is just plus and minus around the mean, right? So it's the mean minus some error, the mean plus some error. So in this case, they want you to find the sample mean with the data. Well, you can do that very quickly right here. Just click to open this in StatCrunch. Okay, so it opens up in StatCrunch and there are your values. So I need the mean, and I'm actually going to need the standard deviation as well. So I just go to Stat, Summary Stats, and my data is in a column. And I double click, because that's where my data is, in this column right there. See, it says var1, variable 1. And then all I need is the mean, and then I hold the control key down to get the standard deviation and compute. So it says the mean is 910. I'm gonna move this to another monitor. I'll bring it back. And then the standard deviation was 303.5. Good job. All right. This is where I said if you use StatCrunch, you'll be able to solve these confidence intervals within seconds. So now it wants me to find a 99% confidence interval. The only question that you will always have, is it a Z or a T? How you know if it's a Z, the population standard deviation would be given. It was not. You had to find the sample standard deviation. So if it's a sample standard deviation, it's a T, and I have summary data here, and hence why they made me find the mean, 910, 303.5. Right here it says 12 people, and then I'm going to do a 99% confidence interval. That quickly, I have my answer. So this 637.9, see if I can find that back again. 1182.1, 1182.1, and that quickly I can find a confidence interval. So this is why you have got to use StatCrunch to do these problems, because you will otherwise, I mean, yes, you can do them by looking things up in tables, as I actually show in some of my videos, but the only issue sometimes you might just be rounding wrong, you know, when you're using the tables. Use StatCrunch. I promise you, you'll be able to get through this homework on confidence intervals, and then coming up next, hypothesis test. If you use StatCrunch, you shouldn't be spending an hour for the entire, all the homework problems.